Hello student, today I am going to explain reagent number 3rd dicyclohexyl carbodiimide. Here di means two cyclohexyl group attached to N double one C double one N. Therefore, structure of dicyclohexyl carbodiimide I am drawing here C6H11 N double one C double one N and C6H11 another cyclohexyl group attached to nitrogen atom. Here short form of dicyclohexyl carbodiimide is DCC. I am again writing here structure of cyclohexyl N double one C double one N again attached to the N attached to the cyclohexyl group. Mainly this DCC or dicyclohexyl carbodiimide used as a dehydrating agent. DD dicyclohexyl carbodiimide used as a dehydrating agent. Then I am discussing with you some preparation method of DCC. There are the three preparation methods of DCC. Here it can be explained one by one. Then first method, it is prepared by oxidation of N dicyclohexyl thiourea by mercuric oxide. Here I am showing the structure C6H11 thiourea NH2 C11S NH2. Then in case of thiourea, two hydrogen atoms attached to the nitrogen atom is replaced by cyclohexyl group, that is C6H11. Therefore, this C6H11 attached to nitrogen atom. Therefore, name of this compound N dicyclohexyl thiourea. Therefore, structure becomes C6H11 NH C11S NH C6H11. This N dicyclohexyl thiourea oxidized. Here oxidation means removal of again hydrogen. Therefore, hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen atom is removed and structure becomes C6H11N double one C double one N. C6H11 is the DCC. Means oxidation of N dicyclohexyl carbodiimide, N dicyclohexyl thiourea oxidized in presence of mercuric oxide to give DCC, dicyclohexyl carbodiimide. This is the first method of preparation of DCC. Then further we study second method of preparation of DCC starting from dicyclohexyl urea. First method is from N dicyclohexyl thiourea. Second method is the dicyclohexyl urea NH2 C11O NH2. In case of again urea, hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen is replaced by two cyclohexyl group. Therefore, dicyclohexyl urea structure C6H11 NH CO NH C6H11. This is the dicyclohexyl urea. Here DCC may be prepared by dehydration of dicyclohexyl urea using para-toluene sulfonyl chloride, short form PTSCl, para-toluene sulfonyl chloride in hot pyridine medium. Then removal of water molecule. Formation of a DCC is C6H11 N double bond C double bond N C6H11. This is the second method of formation of DCC from dicyclohexyl urea in presence of para-toluene sulfonyl chloride in hot pyridine to form a DCC. This is the second method of preparation of DCC. Then we study here third method of preparation of DCC. In this method, DCC may be prepared by using isocyanates. Isocyanate group N double one C double one O. This is the isocyanate group. Therefore, using isocyanate, when cyclohexyl isocyanate I am showing the structure C6H11N double bond C double bond O. Cyclohexyl isocyanate is treated with trialkyl phosphine. Trialkyl phosphine R3P double bond O. An intermediate is formed, and this intermediate is C6H11N double bond Pr3 plus CO2. This is the intermediate. Then this intermediate again reacts with another molecule of cyclohexyl isocyanate and forms TCC. Here I am showing the reaction. C6H11N double bond C double bond O. This is the cyclohexyl isocyanate react with the intermediate C6H11N Pr3. Then formation of a DCC is C6H11N double bond C double bond N C6H11 plus R3P. This is the DCC. There are the three methods of formation of a DCC. One from N dash dicyclohexyl thiourea. Second method from dicyclohexyl urea, and third from two molecules of cyclohexyl isocyanate to form a DCC. Then after preparation, we are going to study applications of DCC. Here, under mild condition, it acts as a mainly dehydrating agent. So, used for synthesis of compounds like esters, ethers, anhydrides, amides, lactones, etc. Therefore, first we study here synthesis of esters. Then how esters will be formed? Here acid plus alcohol gives ester. This is the general formula for preparation of ester. I am writing the general formula for acid is the RCOH plus alcohol ROH. Then OH from acid and H from alcohol release in the form of a water molecule to form RCOOR. This is a ester. Means this is used for preparation of a ester. Then I am showing here second reaction. This is used for synthesis of ethers. Then how will ethers form? C6H5OH. This is the phenol. Phenol react with alcohol ROH. Then OH from phenol and H from alcohol release in the form of a water molecule and formation of a mixed ether, that C6H5OR. This is the mixed ether because C6H5 group and R is the different, therefore formation of a mixed ether. This is used for preparation of ester as well as a mixed ether. Then we study here third application of DCC is the synthesis of amides. Here benzoic acid C6H5COOH, this is the benzoic acid, react with methylamine CH3NH2. Then OH from benzoic acid and one of the H from amine group from methylamine release in the form of a water molecule and formation of C6H5CONHCH3. This is the methyl benzamide. Means this is used for formation of a amides. Then fourth is the synthesis of anhydride. Here this is also used for synthesis of anhydride. I am taking here two molecules of acetic acid. In presence of DCC, release water molecule, formation of a corresponding anhydride, that is the acetic anhydride CH3COOCO-CH3. This is the acetic anhydride. Means DCC is used for synthesis of ester, synthesis of ether, synthesis of amide and synthesis of a acetic acid. And last application of DCC is synthesis of diacyl peroxide. Synthesis of diacyl peroxide. Here I am taking C6H5COH means benzoic acid plus H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. Then another molecule I am writing here C6H5COH means two molecules of benzoic acid and H2O2 when heated in presence of DCC. Here formation of C6H5 CO C6H5, that is the dibenzoyl peroxide. Di means two, here benzoyl group, C6H5CO, this group is called as the benzoyl. Therefore formation of a dibenzoyl peroxide plus C6H5NH CO NH C6H11, formation of a dicyclohexyl urea. Here two molecules of benzoic acid, C6H5COH, two molecules of benzoic acid plus H2O2 hydrogen peroxide when heated release water molecule, and formation of a dibenzoyl peroxide plus dicyclohexyl urea, C6H11NH CO NH C6H11. Urea is NH2CO, NH2 is urea. Then H from nitrogen atom, NH2 group is replaced by C6H11, and formation of a dicyclohexyl urea. Here organic acid on treating with hydrogen peroxide in presence of DCC, dehydration gives diacyl peroxide. The example of diacyl peroxide is the dibenzoyl peroxide. These are the applications of DCC. Means DCC is used as a mainly dehydrating agent in a mild condition, and it is also used for synthesis of ethers, esters, amides, anhydrides, and diacyl peroxides. Thank you for listening.